Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get personalized financial advice through Bright. Are you looking for smart, personalized financial guidance? With Bright, expert advice is just a few taps away. First, open the Bright app and go to the Advisor tab on your home screen. This is your personal hub for, financial insights. Next, tap Start My Assessment. You'll answer a few quick questions about your income, expenses, savings, debts, and goals, like saving for a house, paying off loan, or, just building an emergency fund. Once done, Bright analyzes your data and instantly generates a custom financial plan that's tailored just for you. This includes suggested budgets, saving targets, debt strategies, and even investment tips. You can also ask specific questions. Just hit Ask an Advisor and type in your concerns, whether it's about credit cards, savings, or taxes. Bright's AI-powered assistants or real financial experts will respond with actionable advice. If you want ongoing support, turn on smart tips to get automatic guidance based on your financial behavior delivered directly to your notifications. Personal finance doesn't have to be confusing. With Bright, you get clarity, control, and custom advice right in your pocket. Hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on how to use Bright. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.